गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सौम्या दिस साइड। एंड आज मैं अपने घर के लिए कुछ इंडोर प्लांट्स लेने जा रही हूँ। सो आई थॉट कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ एज अ व्लॉग शेयर करूँ। एंड काफ़ी लोग मुझसे प्लांट्स के बारे में पूछते रहते हैं, एज मैं इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी में अपलोड करती हूँ फोटोज़ काफ़ी प्लांट्स की, तो उनके मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं, इसमें क्या है, ये क्या है, इंडोर प्लांट्स कौन से होते हैं, कौन कौन से तूने अपने घर में रख रखे हैं एंड ऑल वगैरह वगैरह। सो आई थॉट कि मैं आपसे शेयर करूँ जो अब मैं नए इंडोर प्लांट्स आप लेने जा रही हूँ अपने घर के लिए। सो ये तो बेस्ट 5 इंडोर प्लांट्स है। वैसे मैं अपनी जब भी प्लांट्स लेने जाती हूँ तो मैं अपनी लिस्ट लेके जाती हूँ, सो दैट कि मैं बहुत सारे प्लांट्स एक्चुअली जब भी मैं लिस्ट लेके नहीं जाती तो आई एंड अप बाइंग मेनी प्लांट्स। सो मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ लिस्ट लेके है, लाइक आई हैव टू बाय 5 प्लांट्स लाइक एरेका पाम एंड लकी बैम्बू और स्पाइडर प्लांट सक्लेंट्स। सो मैं आपको आज दिखाऊंगी एंड आई विल ऑल्सो टेल अबाउट समथिंग, सम फैक्ट्स, सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दीज प्लांट्स एंड हाउ टू ग्रो दीज, प्रोपगेशन, एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल यू। आगे चलते हैं, अभी हम चलते हैं नर्सरी की तरफ। लेट्स गो शॉप। So here we reached nursery and this place, guys, seriously this place gives so much peace to my eyes. And finally I am here. I can spend hours here by staring at these beauties, and look at these tiny ones. And these colors are so mesmerizing, isn't it? Okay, so let's move towards our first plant, and here it is. Golden money plant, or you can say golden pothos. Okay, so look at the leaves of this golden pothos. It is different from the normal pothos, that is original money plant species, which is green and mustard variegated in color. So for the care of golden pothos, if you are keeping it in a glass bottle, then frequently change water and use tap water so that the plant get all the nutrition and minerals, and keep changing water from 2 to 3 days. So the golden pothos can thrive in low light, but if you want a rapid growth, then put it in a well-lit place. But keep in mind that the harsh and direct sunlight in summers can kill the plant. So put it in a bright light, but not in the direct sunlight. Make sure soil is dried out before you decide to water them, and yeah, propagation is done by cutting into water and soil both. So moving towards my next cutie, that is spider plant. I just love the color of this plant, and you guys look at the color. So the care for the spider plants, that they love to be in bright light but not the direct sunlight, especially in summers. So the place is well lit place but not the direct sun. Avoid keeping near glass windows. Try and water it during morning, so this helps the plant withstand noon sun. Every time you water it thoroughly and let it seep out, this ensures that all the roots get soaked. This plants like the soil slightly moist, and yeah, this is also can grow from cutting in water or in soil both. Now moving towards our third plant, that is Sansevieria, a snake plant. So this is Sansevieria golden, and another one is Fuchsia superba Sansevieria. So I am confused in these two. These are both Sansevieria or snake plant, but you can see the difference. So for now I opt for the Fuchsia superba Sansevieria. It is the best plant to keep in home. So for the care of this Sansevieria, you have to water it once in 14 to 15 days. Also, it can survive in low light, and it is a great air purifier. Also, it is so easy to grow it because it can face almost every condition. try to avoid getting leaves wet when you water it, and they can tolerate variety of light condition. Yeah, they can grow from cutting into water or into soil, both. Now we are moving towards the beautiful plant that is Areca palm. So it comes in different sizes. This plant is so beautiful, you must have seen them in many places. So for the care of Areca palm, it does not like direct sunlight, and afternoon sun is big no to this plant. Bright light will help us to grow this plant, so keep it in a well lit place and always water it thoroughly until the water comes out from the bottom. And this applies to every plant, but for this one keep the soil lightly moist. 3-4 days or alternative days is a water interval for this plant. You cannot grow Areca palm from a cutting, but it's not difficult to create new plant using rooted offshoots. Now let's find next one in our list. Okay. But these beauties are distracting me from my goals and list. Why I am taking plants home? I want to live here with them, all of them. Look at this red beauty. Okay, so let's get back to work. So where are you, my tiny friend? Okay, here it is. So can you recognize this? Well, this is a jade plant. This is my favorite from childhood, and also you have seen it on my Instagram stories lately. So the jade plants are succulents. They hold water in their leaves, so they don't need more water or moist soil. So let the top 1-2 inches of soil dry out between the waterings. Okay, so water it once every 2 to 3 weeks. Also, it needs 4 hours of direct sunlight each day. Young plants should be kept in bright indirect sunlight, but well-established jade plants can handle more direct sunlight. So yeah, it can be propagated from stem and leaves in soil, but try to propagate from stem only. It will help to grow it easily. So coming towards our last plant we are taking home, that is ZZ plant. So this is ZZ plant and we can place, this is the best plant for indoors, and हम इसे आराम से कहीं पे भी रख सकते हैं. इसे ज़्यादा ब्राइट लाइट की और इसे 10 to 20 days वाटर नहीं देंगे तो भी चलेगा. इट्स ऑल राइट. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लांट जो ज़्यादा केयर नहीं कर पाते उनके लिए. सो ये ZZ प्लांट है, अच्छे से आप देख सकते हैं. सो ये डेफिनेटली आप बाय कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट, और आप ज़्यादा केयर नहीं कर सकते प्लांट्स की तो. So yeah guys, I selected my all plants and I keep it aside. Now they are going their new home. Now we are keeping our plants in our car. So excited to decorate my home with these cuties. So I all done with shopping, and I will place these in my home and I will show you on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I am sending you a username and description में है जो भी मेरा Instagram का link. And please subscribe to my channel, and जो भी ये plans हैं उनकी photos मैं Instagram पे update करती रहूँगी. So check out there, and yeah guys, thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.